So friends, today in our practical part we will understand what are asset under management. Assets under management, the name itself is indicating the value of assets which is held by a management. This term is used in mutual fund segment. In mutual fund, asset management companies manage assets. So, asset under management means the value of asset managed by mutual fund companies. We can describe asset management in a very simple manner. Let's say there are two mutual fund A and mutual fund B. Mutual fund B. There are two mutual fund. Balance sheet. Here we used to write all our assets. Balance sheet. Asset. Mainly the asset comprises of investment, and cash. Investment and cash. Fine. So, what is asset under management? Asset under management, let's say it is HDFC mutual fund and it is IDFC mutual fund. Fine. So, the value of asset, if it is 100 and it is 20, it is 120, it is 50, it is 10, it is let's say 60. So what we can say that HDFC mutual fund is having 120 crore asset under management. Let's say it is figure in crore. Fine, sir. So we can say mutual fund B is managing 60 crore of asset, and this is known as asset under management. So when its value will increase, when this asset value will increase, when the market value of investment will increase, if market value of investment will increase, its value will increase. Fine. Let's say this company had invested in stock market. So when stock market is increasing, when stock market prices are increasing, then the value of investment will also increase, and same for mutual fund B. Fine, sir. So this is the very rough knowledge of asset under management. Let's now understand the exact meaning. Fine. Asset under management refers to the total market value of the assets. Total market value of the assets that a mutual fund manages at a given point of time. AUM is an indicator of mutual fund performance as well as its size. Fine. So market value of total assets, it's an indicator of performance. Company with a high asset under management will be considered better as against other company whose asset under management is not that much high, but it is just an one indicator. There are lots of other things to be seen when we are taking decision as per AUM. A fund with a large AUM signifies higher participation from the investors. It means investors had contributed good amount in this fund, and a fund with low AUM signifies lower interest in that fund. So if a mutual fund is having higher asset under management, it means that the investors contribution in that fund is higher as compared to other fund. Assets under management are the overall market value of the assets capital that a mutual fund holds. Overall market value. Asset under management are the overall market value The fund manager manages these assets and takes the investment decision on behalf of investors. AUM is an indicator of the size and success of the fund house. One can easily compare its asset under management in various timelines and market phases performed as opposed to its peers. The AUM value also includes the return that the mutual fund earns. It also includes the return. The asset managers can invest these in securities, distribute to investors as dividend, or hold as per investment mandate. So UTI mutual fund. There are so many mutual funds operating in India like UTI mutual fund, Birla Sun Life, ICICI, HDFC, Kotak, SBI, L&T, Tata, Motilal Oswal, Edelweiss, Nippon, IDFC, Taurus, Axis Mutual Fund, DSP Mutual Fund. So there are so many mutual funds operating in India. So top AUM companies are SBI Mutual Fund. It is having 5 lakh crore asset under management. Yes friend, 5 lakh crore asset under management. They are managing the value of investment which is 5 lakh crore SBI. So you can remember these names, you can recall these names, you can put this name in your memory. These are big mutual funds of India. SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund, 4 lakh crore, ICICI, Aditya Birla, Kotak Mahindra, Nippon, Axis, UTI, IDFC, DSP. Fine. These names keeps on changing. As market value of investment will increase, this name will also change. The ranking will keeps on changing as per market trend. Fine, sir. Indian mutual fund industry's average asset under management stood at 35 lakh crore. They are doing the total of asset under management of all the mutual fund. 35 lakh crore. That's really a big amount. Total mutual fund logs 8 to 16% growth in asset under management. In the pandemic time also, the management had done such a good investment that their assets value is increasing and 8 to 16% growth in asset under management. Mutual fund asset under management surged 41% to rupees 31 trillion. So friends, this is a really very good sector, good industry to work on. If you want to make career in finance, mutual fund sector is the best choice. Mutual fund asset under management touch a new high of 31 lakh crore. ICICI Mutual Fund displaces HDFC Mutual from second spot. So I have told you that this ranking keeps on changing. AUM of India's mutual fund industry forecast to increase to 100 lakh crore, and you will be the first one to benefit of all this news because you will be a professional and you will be working in these industries. Mutual fund industry is the highest growth industry of India, and to be a professional in mutual fund industry will definitely help you to grow yourself and to grow the company and to grow the society as well. So friends, I am showing you an interview of a person named Milind Barve who had managed to be in top position as far as AUM is concerned. Nearly AUM of 4 lakh crore is really a big amount. So, being a chartered accountant, Milind Barve had definitely succeeded and he is a role model for all of us. We should definitely follow his journey, follow his path, and also listen to his recommendation, listen to his suggestions, listen to his motivation so that we can also be motivated, we can also grow, we can also succeed in our life. Let's play an interview, let's play a video of Mr. Milind Barve.
Hello friends, Let me speak for a minute about some of the issues that come to people's mind while investing in a mutual fund. Very often, a mutual fund makes you think about equity markets and about the volatility in the markets, and investors are concerned about when to enter and to begin their participation in the markets. One of the key principles of successful investors in mutual fund has been actually not timing the market, but staying for a longer time in the market. The best results have been achieved in mutual funds by investing for long periods, as long as 8, 9, 10 years. Friends, you'll be surprised with the power of compounding that helps you create wealth through your investments. The simple principles for you to follow are: invest in a disciplined manner regularly and stay invested for long periods to 8 to 10 years. Today, industry has a number of SIP programs which help you to not time the market but bring or inculcate that discipline in your investing. So friends, mutual funds have to now be a part of your investment life. In many ways, the days of mutual funds are here. Mutual funds sahi hai.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
So friends, such type of video definitely help us to enhance our knowledge, and it will definitely encourage us, because we are also following the same path: CA, CS, CMA, CFA, and all these paths will lead to a better life which you are targeting, a career in finance. So I will request you to dream and believe in yourself. If you are on right path, no need to worry. One day you will definitely achieve your goal. Just you have to be positive and keep going. Fine, sir.